Product and store reviews are essential. Positive reviews on your Shopify store influence buying decisions, increase customer spending, build trust, and ultimately drives more store revenue. There is a strong correlation between capturing more positive product reviews and increasing store revenue. So my focus today is to share how to add reviews to your product pages, showcase social proof, and set up the process of collecting new reviews on Autopilot. If this sounds interesting to you, then stick around and let's build your store's authority and credibility with product reviews. Let's dive in. Here we are inside my Shopify backend. Now before we get started, and if you're new to Shopify, I've recently put together my most comprehensive Shopify tutorial that covers everything you need to know for building a successful Shopify store. If you're interested in this tutorial, I'll link it down below in the description. Now let's quickly jump over to products and click on a product, and let's see what this product page looks like. Okay, so our product pages are looking extremely sharp. However, there is something that we're missing. We're missing a reviews section. This is important for every Shopify store. High ratings on your Shopify pages increase conversion rates significantly. So how can you add a review section like this and a star rating like this on your product pages? Well, we're going to use a free review app called Judge Me. This allows you to add star ratings to your product pages as well as a review section. Not only this, but you can set up email automations to capture more reviews from your customers. Alright, so how can we do this? Simply jump back over to your Shopify backend, then navigate down to Apps and type in Judge Me. And this is the app we want to use. In my opinion, Judge Me is the best product review app. Navigate down to install and install again. Make sure this information is correct, settings language, widgets and email language, as well as where you'd like to install this widget. Click on next, then select the options that are relevant to you. Just starting out, do you outsource production, stock management, or delivery? No. Next. And because this is a new store, I'm going to select skip and then skip. Then navigate up to enable app embed. That will take you here under app embeds. Make sure this is turned on and then click on save. Then navigate back to the Judge Me interface. Then we need to install the review widget block. Come down, click on install review widget, then click on got it. Navigate down to apps and you'll see this app section here and you can choose where to put this. I'm going to move this up and add it below product information. This is for the default product page. Click on save. Then I'm going to navigate over to a different page template for my products. This one that I created earlier, Beats Digital Products. This is the product page template that I created for digital products. Then I'm going to navigate down to add section, apps, and this review widget and choose where you want to place this on your page. I'm going to move it up and add that below the video. Okay, so on this page template, this product page template, if we navigate down, you'll see the customer reviews down here. Navigate up to save and jump back into the Judge Me app interface. And that's going to take you here. Now what we want to do is add the star ratings block on our product pages. Click here, install star ratings, click on close, and then navigate down here to product information and expand this. And you'll see star ratings down here. You'll notice this star rating is automatically added to the bottom of our description. Let's go ahead and move this and drag it above price. Okay, so now you can see we have our product heading, our product title. Below that, we have the star rating. Now, if the potential customer or website visitor clicks here, that's going to take them down to customer reviews. Navigate up to save. And again, like before, if you've created product page templates, make sure you navigate over to those product page templates and add those widgets in here. As you can see, this product page template does not have the star rating. All we need to do is navigate over to add section, apps, and then star rating. Then drag this app widget below product information, expand, and then expand apps, and drag this star ratings above price and below title. And again, you can see we've added the star rating. If a website visitor clicks here, that's going to take them down to this section. Click on save, and those are the only review widgets that we need to add for this app. Navigate back to the Judge Me interface, and feel free to change the star color. For now, let's add this blue color, which is similar to my website branding, then click on next. And that's it. Customers can jump over to your product pages and leave reviews. Now, in terms of pricing, you can leverage the completely free plan. This gives you unlimited product and store reviews, as well as photo and video reviews. Your reviews will also display in SERP under your listings and will look something like this. Over time, as you collect more reviews and your business grows, you can upgrade to the paid plan, which is only $15 per month. However, the free plan is sufficient enough for most startups, new stores, and small businesses. Okay, let's navigate down to continue with free plan. Navigate down And here you can see a quick snapshot of your review data, your total reviews, average review rating, requests sent, and revenue from reviews. Okay, let's navigate over to reviews. And this is where you can manage all your reviews. You can publish them, delete them, and respond to your reviews, both product reviews and store reviews. Let's navigate up to review requests and then click on edit email templates. Then click on request reviews. And if we navigate down here, you'll see that Manage Email Review Requests is automatically enabled. Collect reviews via email on Autopilot. Let's click here, and we can further customize these settings. So once a customer purchases a product, this email will be sent, which will request a review 14 days later after a purchase, and then a follow-up email 5 days later if the customer has not left a review yet. So I'm happy with this information. Let's navigate up and click back on Email Templates. Under Email Templates, you'll see Review Request and Reminder Emails. Like I mentioned, these are emails that are sent 14 days after a purchase, and a reminder email is sent 5 days later. Again, you can make changes to these windows. Let's navigate over to Edit, and this is what your email will look like. For example, let us know what you think. Hi John, that's going to pull in the first name of the customer. We hope you really enjoy the product name will be added here from our store. And then we have this other information. The customer can leave a review by clicking here. So again, you can leave this as the default setup, or you can make changes to this template. Simply navigate down and locate the email content and make changes to this content. You will need to upgrade to the premium plan if you want to edit the email subject, pre-header text, and email title. But this is not essential, and you can see your branding has already been added. Navigate down and add other variables if you like. For example, if you get a negative review, what text do you want that reviewer to see? You can also send a sample email just to preview what this email template will look like. I'm going to navigate up here, then navigate back. And if you want to change your branding, you can simply navigate down to branding. Change your star color, the rating icon. Again, you can only change this if you're on the premium plan. And we can update your store logo here. If you don't like the way the logo appears on your email templates that are sent from Judge Me, you can always change your logo here and make further changes down here. Okay, let's keep everything as default. We don't need to make any changes here. Let's have a quick look at our product pages to see what this looks like when someone adds a review. And a customer can navigate down here and simply leave a review. And here's an example of how you can manage your reviews. Here we have a store review and a product review from the same individual. You can see the status is published. We can click reply to simply reply to these reviews. Let's reply publicly to boost credibility on our product pages. Thank you for the review. I'm glad you love this product. You can also leverage AI to respond to reviews. Click on send reply. And now let's preview what our reviews look like on a product page. And as you can see, when a customer arrives on this product page, they can see the reviews here, the star rating widget, and click here. And that's going to take them to this review section widget where they can see all reviews as a breakdown from 1 to 5 stars. And then they can see all reviews and replies down here. All right, let's jump back inside the Judge Me app. You can also feature and pin these reviews. If we navigate over to these 3 dots, we can share on social media, ask a customer to update a review, archive, edit, and review details. You can also easily import reviews. Simply click on import and you can import a CSV file to upload reviews if you have them on a previous platform or app. Okay, let's navigate back to home. And that is how you can boost sales, your conversion rate, and ultimately build authority and credibility through reviews. Your store now has a review widget and an automatic email sequence in place for collecting reviews. And you can do this completely for free with the Judge Me app.
And there we have it for this powerful Shopify app tutorial. Now, if you have any questions about this video, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.